The culture of C3 is great. Everyone's really friendly. They're always ready to work. Going and walking through the company, you hear laughter, conversations that are the beginning of something, and people are ready to put forth effort. You just gotta be right with them. You gotta put in your heart because other people are, and you just can't leave them behind. In shipping and receiving, it's crazy. One day you're at the warehouse building something, the next day you're checking in parts all day, so it's just, you gotta be flexible, and that's one great skill that working down there gives you. Seeing everything come in, you really understand what this company does, and you get a good feel for the company. What I'm doing up in marketing is I'm taking over the social media aspect, which has been great because just seeing how many people look at C3 and who we are is really terrific. You really see all the people that are really inspired by our company, and I find that fascinating. Taking over the blogs this summer was also very rewarding. Getting to write something that I made was pretty cool. I mean, making something in English class or something like that never felt as good as publishing something on a website. So this is what I want to pursue as a career. It's been a fun summer so far, and hopefully it'll continue from there.